Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And good morning, Mr. or Miss at Apple Academy. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to speak with you today. And before we start, let me introduce myself. I'm Fahmi Alamsyah, and I'm from Surabaya. And especially, I was born in Mojokerto in East Java. But I must to move to Surabaya, which is for 40 kilometers from Mojokerto to Surabaya. Maybe take 1 until 2 hours from my previous home to my home right now. And I'm mm, I'm elementary school in Islamic in SDIT Firdaus. Do you know SDIT Firdaus? The SDIT Firdaus is like uh, Islamic school, and there are teach us about religion and tema book and like PKN, IPS, and yeah, and elementary school is near from my previous house, which is in Mojokerto, and maybe from my house to my elementary school maybe take 15 minutes. And yeah, after elementary school I'm go to junior high school, and I'm junior high school same still in Mojokerto. And my junior high school is MTSN, which is Madrasah Sanawiyah Negeri 1 Mojokerto. And in junior high school I got so many knowledge about Islamic religion and IPA, IPS, and the other like extracurricular, maybe badminton, basket, volley, and soccer. And in junior high school, I haven't know about programmer, but in senior high school, I first like newbie in senior high school. It's like my first knowledge about programmer. And firstly, I'm not like uh, coding, but um, and as time go on, little for little, little by little, I like programmer, which is in software engineer. And the first class, which is 10th grade, I learn about HTML, UI UX design, and maybe only two, HTML, and which is web developer, and UI UX designer. And that time at that time I like UI UX designer because I like the good design, something like Gojek, Tokopedia, Shopee, WhatsApp. Yeah, and in 10th grade, I make an application about food delivery, and I have named my application is Foodie. Foodie is food delivery, and in 10th grade, there is one event called mm, open house, and in open house there are so many there are so work of exhibition what we do after 3 months, and the event happen at August or maybe September. And yeah, start from June and until August, what we do in software engineer or maybe in programmer, and we must to show our projects like UI UX design and HTML design or maybe portfolio project. And the event, there is uh, organizer to manage the event, and from each major must to show the project minimum 6 projects, and there is selection from our project, something like my project and my friends, and my friends, and the organizer must be selection which one is better the for each projects. And alhamdulillah, I got uh, my project to show to that event, and I show my projects. It's about UI UX design, which is foodie or maybe food delivery. And in December, after open house, we join Google developer groups in Bogor, and there are so many programmers, expert programmers. They teach us how to solve this problem and how to make this button or like that. And I got knowledge about web development, and in Google developer groups I met so many programmer experts like Flutter developer and Golang developer and maybe and Kotlin developer and the others. And after that, uh, there is Swift developer maybe for iOS. And after Google developer groups, I'm so excited about iOS developer. That's why I wanna join to your scholarship. And I'm interested in joining Apple Academy because I wanna develop my skills in app development and the latest technology. I believe Apple Academy can provide a deep learning environment focused on innovation. I actively studied and also participate in extracurricular activities related to web development. I have taught web programming like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to fellow students. This experience has strengthened my understanding of fundamental concepts of web development. I believe my experience I teaching and practicing web programming has equipped me with communication and problem solving skills crucial in the tech world. I'm confident this skill will be beneficial as I learn at Apple Academy, and I plan to actively participate in all aspects of the program, both in class and outside of class. And I want to share my knowledge and experience with classmates and engage in collaborative projects to enhance our skills together. Yeah, and I'm so excited to join Apple Academy because I want to learn about highest developer, Swift language, and yeah, that's my dream. And maybe that's all for me. Thank you for your attention, and sorry if I have mistakes for my language. And thank you very much, Mr. or Miss. I truly appreciate this opportunity, and I hope to be part of Apple Academy. And thank you, Mr. and Miss. I will do my best. Hopefully, we can meet again in the future. And maybe that's all. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.